I transform my OpenClaw Telegram bot to control my own computer to be able to do literally any feature, any work in any of my projects using the workflow I want and using directly Claude Code. I will show you exactly how I do it in this video. And basically, if you do the same, you will be able to go on your phone to launch OpenClaw like this and to just say, oh, in this SaaS, I want you to update this, and he just do the work. So I will, for example, take a really simple feature. Okay, let's say that we want to do it. So we will change the landing page. Okay, just here we will add or change some text. So for example, imagine you are on your gym and someone tell you, man, this is bad title, or I need to change the reviews of Alex Paris. So I will take my phone, open Telegram, and say, using the code task skill, I want you to update subfast and update the review of Alex Parry inside the landing page to change the review to I just love this product and use it for all my videos. So this is not a real review of Alex Paris, but this is just for the purpose of the test. So when you send an audio message to OpenClaw, he needs to process it. And when he processes it, he will come back to you with a beautiful message. And what he will actually do, I create a skill, okay? Because everything with OpenClaw is skill. If you want to do something smart, do it with a skill. I create code task just here that will do the following. So all code tasks must be done with this skill, and we will let OpenClaw just here so we can see it. So what he will do is that we will, for each skill, create a work tree, so like this. Then we will copy all the M file, so we will have all the environment variable, and then we will install all the dependency. We will create a GitHub issue like this. When we have it, we will launch a Claude agent in the background, and this is the most powerful part. I have a workflow named Apex. So you have your workflow, you have maybe a command like one shot, like the feature, like implements, whatever. I have this workflow Apex that is configurable with parameter like this and with this PR. This PR will create a pull request. Then here, we have dangerous skip permission and we launch Claude and we get the Claude PID. Then he will launch a Claude cron job that will check every minute if the task is done or no. When the task is done, he will tell us, okay, the task is finished, I have all of this information and you can start doing this and this. And when we finish, we can ask, just clean up, and he will do this. So imagine this thing that I just do in Telegram. Here I do it in my office, in my computer. It's pretty useless because for this small change, I would prefer to go in the repository and ask for the change. Okay, this is like, okay. But when you are on the beach, when you are on the train, when you are on the metro, you can now work. You can now work directly into your computer. Obviously, if you have OpenClaw installed in your computer or in your VPS, it's a little bit different. But I have OpenClaw running on my phone that is actually doing job on my computer to do a feature, following all the good practice I would ever dream of. So let's see what the IA is doing. I will launch a dashboard, and here I make a little bit mistake with my shitty French accent. He didn't understand when I say subfast, and he didn't understand super fast, so he didn't find the folder, so he didn't do a thing. And he replied me with voice, because in order to make it work, what I create is a memory file. Here we have a lot of memory file, but I have a project, and here I say, so why it's right in French, I'm really sorry. Sometimes he writes in French because I say it in French. He writes all the path. So when I ask him to work in any projects, he will know the path without launching a lot of ls commands that will be expensive and take more time than what you can do just by giving him all the path of your project. I have a lot of projects because I'm a YouTuber, but you know, I think you don't have that much project, so it will be way easier in your case. So now that I fix it, we can see also what is working on. So we can see here that it just launched the issue. So this update the testimonial on the landing page, blah, blah, blah. And he launched with the PYD13 thing that he launched the thing. So he just launched a sub-agent using Claude Code to make the feature, because if you are like me, you don't use Claude Code, you don't use Opus for this OpenClaw, so maybe it's not that smart, you know. But by using Claude Code, it's way smarter. And then what we have here is a scheduled job, a watcher that watch every minute if the PID, so the feature, is finished or no. And whenever it's finished, it will tell you, like, basically, hey, it's finished. So we will wait this. Okay, so this is the example. I ask him with the right text. So he create the task, and here he say the code is finished. So I will say create the pair. Ah no, he create the pair already. I will right click to copy the link and open it. Update Alex Parry testimonial. File change. We can see that he changed the file. He had the changelog, and for this he used Claude Code. I didn't use this OpenClaw. I used Claude Code to make change to my code with this workflow that create a task. Then I can search. I can write merge and clean. He will merge the pull requests. So we will see it, I think, in live, the merging, because it's really smart to merge something like this. So he still have everything in error in this GitHub. So he merge, and then he will delete the work tree. So with this, you can ask OpenClaw to work on 20 projects at the same time. There is no more limit, because he launched Claude Code on your computer. This is insane. And with just one skill. I invite you to try the same skill. So I will make a little GitHub. So the problem is that it's for me, because I write my Mac path, but I will still share you some GitHub gist, so you can basically install it and ask Claude Code to update it for your case. And I really recommend you to create skill in your OpenClaw agents. I think you can do really a lot of stuff.